On today's IRS tax refund update, we will take a look at the latest developments this tax season, including the next rounds of tax refunds scheduled for release. And from there, we will recap the top reason why a number of tax refunds will be placed on hold until mid-February, and the connection it has to those emails many of our viewers have received in recent days about an updated refund timeline. And from there, we will look at another issue that some will experience that will need to be addressed before receiving that refund. Starting off with the latest, as the next round of tax refunds has been scheduled for release by the IRS on February 7th, 10th, 11th, as confirmed by the refund status results and tax transcripts seen here. Now, if you are part of this latest refund batch and have opted to receive the refund via direct deposit, most will receive that deposit by the refund date, and in some cases, depending on your bank earlier, then the posted date. However, do allow up to 5 additional days after that refund date for it to post your account before initiating a payment trace with the IRS. And if you have decided to receive a paper check, most will receive that in the mail within 5 to 10 days. However, you will need to allow up to 30 days to receive it before initiating a payment trace for a non-received refund check. Now, we continue to have many viewers reach out to us who have already filed their tax returns and have claimed either the Earned Income Tax Credit or Additional Child Tax Credit, asking when they can expect to see their refund. And as a reminder, if you are claiming either one of those credits, you must wait until mid-February to see that refund released due to federal law, but to avoid ongoing confusion. If you are just claiming the Child Tax Credit, also known as CTC, you are not impacted by this hold, as only the Additional Child Tax Credit portion is subject to a hold under the PATH Act. And also, we are hearing from viewers who filed with several tax processing companies, such as TurboTax, about receiving an email from them indicating an updated refund estimated date. Now, this email does not indicate an issue, but rather is a result of several tax processing companies showing early refund dates for those claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit without taking into account the delays for these refunds until mid-February due to the PATH Act. So again, if you received one of these emails, there is no cause for concern. We are also hearing from viewers who are encountering the action required message, as seen on the far left when checking the status of their refunds online, indicating that you need to verify your identity and tax return information. And as we have seen in past years, those under this category will receive a letter from the IRS in the mail listing a 14-digit control number, which you will need to proceed with the verification online. Now, one bit of good news is that the verification in most cases can be completed online in a matter of minutes, and if successful, the refund that was placed on hold will be released, as the IRS states, within 9 weeks. However, we have seen that average wait time around the 3-week mark. But do remember, if you are asked to complete ID verification, it must be done before the refund is released. Another issue some viewers are reporting is having their tax returns rejected by their tax filing companies, encountering a message similar to the ones seen here now. Often, this is due to a simple reason, such as the wrong social security number was entered, or the wrong dependent information was entered, a mismatch of information from a tax form, or you were missing an identity protection PIN which was assigned by the IRS and needed when submitting your tax return, which is often the case for those who previously were subject to tax identity theft in the past. Now, do make sure to go back and verify all information entered into the return, from name to social security number to wage and withholding information and dependent information, before attempting to resubmit. Now, one step we recommend doing even before filing your taxes this year is creating an online IRS account, if you have not done so already. And by doing so, this will allow you access to your tax transcripts, which may provide more information. Then simply checking the "Where's my refund" status results on the IRS website. But also, it will allow you to receive notices that the IRS may be sending you in the mail pertaining to your tax filing situation, including requests for documentation, as well as being able to submit some of those documents online rather than mailing them to the IRS, and further options available, including setting up payments online for those who will owe a balance when it comes to their taxes in 2025, as well as making those payments. Let us know in the comment section below about your ongoing tax issue. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.